Good morning, one and all. I am Professor Shreya Trivedi from AKDMC, Jamnagar. Hope you all are fine in this pandemic situation. This is the general lecture for everyone. Those who want to learn English, that is in the spoken form, written form, or in the grammatical form, this is the lecture for them. Many of the general lectures are already conducted previously. Uh, we have started with effective techniques of learning English language. Then we have done frequently used phrases in English language, mute letters, genitives, parts of speech. Individually, we have discussed parts of speech, verbs and its forms, importance of verbs, sentences, types of sentences, subtypes of sentences, tenses, etc. 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 Then we have gone to active and passive voice, and in the previous lecture we have done one exercise. Today we are going to continue with another exercise. Here the sentences are given in the uh, active voice, and four options are given. In that we have to find out which is the correct passive form of the given question. First question: never disobey your elders. First of all, let us think about which type of sentence it is. It is an imperative sentence. Okay, then we have to think about the subject, verb and object. Here the subject is elders, okay, and disobey is verb. Your object is not given, so from you we will start the answer. From you are asked. Why asked? Because it is an command. You are asked not to disobey your elders. This is the right answer. Then the students were listening to the teacher. Were listening means it is the sentence of past continuous tense. So when we will change it into passive voice, the teacher was listened. Okay, here the subject object will become subject, that is the teacher. The teacher was listened to by the students. Then I have to do it. I have to do it. It is a present perfect tense. So it we will start the sentence from it because it is the object, so we will make it a subject. It has to be done by me. Okay, it has to be done because have is there, so we will use has. It has to be done by me. Tell the maid to prepare tea. Okay, this is again a command. Okay, tell the maid to prepare tea. Maid is the subject here. Okay, tea is. You are asked to tell the maid to prepare tea. Then who stole your bike? By whom was your bike stolen? Question mark. Okay, who is there, so in the passive voice we will write by whom. Then we have some questions. Okay, your answers are also given. The thieves have been arrested by the police. The thieves have been arrested by the police. This is the passive voice sentence and we have to make it into active voice. The police have arrested the thieves. Then second one, the marvelous performance delivered by the children enthralled us. Okay, then we were enthralled by the marvelous performance delivered by the children. He has been invited to their party. They have invited him to their party. We have shipped your order. Your order has been shipped by us. Then The girl recited the poem beautifully. The poem was beautifully recited by the girl. Then the guest enjoyed the party. The party was enjoyed by the guests. The child impressed everyone with his polite manners. Everyone was impressed with the polite manners of the child. A girl from Chennai won the first prize. The first prize was won by a girl from Chennai. The readers liked the latest book of the writers. The latest book of the writer is liked by the readers. They are painting the walls. The walls are being painted by them. Being, okay. The car has been fixed by the mechanic. The mechanic has fixed the car. She accepted the invitation with pleasure. Their invitation was accepted with pleasure. Okay, this is it for today. I hope તમને થોડું ઘણું સમજાણું, and we will meet surely in the next lecture. Till then, have a good day. Be safe, wear the mask, use sanitizers, uh, and have social distancing so that we can cope up with this situation very easily. Thank you and have a nice day.